In this video, I'm comparing Beehiiv, Substack and Kit, three major platforms for creators who send newsletters, build audiences and monetize content. I'll walk through what each does well, how they differ in terms of tools, fees and flexibility, and by the end you will know which one fits your goals best. So first, exactly what are they and who are they for? Substack is the plug-and-play newsletter platform that many writers know. It's simple, just write, send and charge subscriptions. It also includes discovery, social features, which are notes, and a mobile reader app and more. Then Beehiiv is a more modern, growth-oriented newsletter platform. It includes referral programs, ad network tools, fine analytics, and more monetization options built in. It's designed for creators who want more control and growth tools. Kit is more like a full creator marketing platform, focused on email automations and product monetization. It supports newsletters, but also selling digital products, memberships, automations, and more. So as for their features and workflow, with Substack you simply write posts, optionally lock some behind paid subscriptions, and send it to your list. It gives you built-in audience discovery, subscription management, and a simple analytics dashboard. It's minimal with fewer bells and whistles beyond writing and monetizing. Its advantage is how easy it is to start. No setup, little configuration, and integrated audience and publishing systems. With Beehiiv you also write and send, but Beehiiv layers in more tools such as the built-in referral programs to grow your list, more granular analytics, ad network support so you can insert ads or sponsorships, and more customization in terms of design and layout. Beehiiv makes it easier to scale your newsletter growth and monetization without needing lots of external plugins or hacks. Now Kit's workflow includes newsletter sending, but also automation, segmentation, landing pages and commerce. So you can sell digital products, posts behind paywalls, memberships, all in one tool. You can also build sequences such as welcome series and drip campaigns. You can segment your audience and monetize beyond just paid subscriptions with, for example, product sales and memberships. So as for the pricing and monetization and fees, Substack takes a 10% cut of your paid subscription revenue plus payment processing fees. The base platform is free to use in the sense you don't pay until you monetize, but the 10% revenue share is kind of high. Now Beehiiv does not take a cut of your subscription revenue. So you keep subscription revenue minus Stripe or payment fees. Beehiiv can monetize via its ad network, so it may take a share of ads placed via that, and because of this, when you hit higher revenue or list sizes, Beehiiv can become more cost efficient than Substack. As you can see, the most popular plan starts at $49 per month, which means you would need to be making about $500 for it to be cheaper than with Substack, since there the 10% would then cost $50. Now Kit has free and paid tiers. The free newsletter plan already supports up to 10,000 subscribers, the one on Beehiiv 2,500, so the one on Kit is very generous. And this is with basic functionality. Now the paid plans unlock features like unlimited automations, more commerce tools, removing the branding, segmentation and more. Now as for the transaction fees, you can see that Kit charges 3.5% plus 30 cents per transaction, and that's the same across all plans. And as for the paid recommendation fees, they have 23.5% in the Creator and Creator Pro plan. Now in terms of their strengths and weaknesses and kind of trade-offs, Substack's strengths include the very minimal setup and learning curve, strong discovery and network effect, and built-in audience exposure through Substack's social functions and the reading app, and it's reliable with a trusted system for paid newsletters. Now some weaknesses is going to be the 10% cut of your revenue, limited advanced features such as automation, segmentation, design and analytics compared to the other tools here, and less flexibility in branding, design and customization. Now for Beehiiv's strengths, you retain the subscription revenue, so no platform cut, strong growth tools such as referrals, analytics and the ad network, more customization, scaling potential and control, and better long-term cost efficiency for serious creators. Some weaknesses of Beehiiv: more features can mean more complexity, so for beginners some of the extra tools can be overwhelming. You lose some of Substack's built-in audience and discovery advantages, and the advertising network monetization may depend on demand and good placements. Now as for Kit, the strengths, you get a full feature toolset, so the newsletter with automations, commerce and membership all in one. It's good for creators who want to do more than just send newsletters. It offers strong segmentation, automations and product setting built in, and you get flexibility and power under one roof. Now for the weaknesses in Kit, the cost can grow as you need advanced features or when list sizes increase. For pure newsletter creators who don't sell products or need automations, some features may be overkill, and the transaction fee for sales is an additional overhead. So which one should you choose? Now I'll leave links to all three of these down in the description, and with Beehiiv you can get 20% off of your first 3 months through the link. So first, if you want maximum simplicity and low friction to start a paid newsletter and you are okay giving up 10% revenue share in exchange for ease, then Substack is definitely a strong option. If you plan to grow, monetize via ads, want better control and want to keep your subscription revenue, Beehiiv is a better bet for a growing, serious newsletter business. If your work goes beyond newsletters, so selling digital products, building funnels, automations and memberships, then Kit is attractive because it bundles all those capabilities in one platform. If I had to pick a default winner for most creator businesses that want growth plus monetization, then I would say it's Beehiiv. It gives the balance of control, monetization and growth features without revenue cuts. But if your business model is simple writing plus paid subscriptions, Substack will still be sufficient, and if you are building a broader creator business, Kit may be your best bet long term. Again, there will be links to all three down in the description where you can get started for free. If this comparison of Beehiiv versus Substack versus Kit helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.